Harvard University offers the Presidential Scholars Program, covering full tuition, fees, and living expenses for outstanding students. Yale University provides need-based international scholarships covering the full cost of attendance, including tuition, fees, and living expenses. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, offers the Presidential Fellowship for Exceptional Graduate Students, covering tuition, fees, and a generous stipend for living expenses. Stanford University features the Knight Hennessy Scholars Program, a fully funded scholarship for graduate students covering tuition, fees, and living expenses. University of Chicago provides fully funded scholarships for international students through its financial aid program, covering tuition, fees, and a living stipend. Princeton University offers generous financial aid packages that can cover full tuition and living expenses for international students based on need. Columbia University provides various scholarships and financial aid options for international students, potentially covering full educational costs. Duke University offers merit-based scholarships, such as the Karsh International Scholarship, covering full tuition, fees, and living expenses. University of Pennsylvania provides need-based financial aid packages that can cover full tuition and associated costs for international students. California Institute of Technology, Caltech, offers need-based financial aid to international students, potentially covering the